Hello everyone, I'm CheCo and this is the Razer Viper Ultimate and probably the best gaming mouse in the market right now. The mouse have an ambidextrous symmetrical design with two fully programmable buttons per side and some your right and left buttons, a very satisfying scroll wheel and a full RGB Chroma Razer logo. Underneath we have the new Razer Focus Plus 2000 DPI optical sensor, a DPI button with 5 stages on and off power switch, the connector for the charging dock and a brand new 100% PTFE glide fit that in compare with my old Razer mouse, this thing just flies and does it so smoothly. Now yes, this is a fully wireless mouse with hyperspeed, and what this means is the mouse and the receiver will scan to find the best connection through the fastest frequency to communicate between each other, so that gives you a free lag response always, even if you have multiple Razer devices connected to the same dongle, to the same receiver. This will find the best frequency to talk in their own channels always. Now, being fully wireless, yes, you need to charge it every now and then. This is micro USB. I really wish it was USB-C. But to be honest, it comes with a magnetical rechargeable base that connects within 2 pins down here. And once you connect it, the base got Chroma RGB as well. So this will pulse between red, the meaning is nearly flat, yellow, green, or static green, and they will give you a visual indication of how much the battery percentage is when you're ready to play. Now, fully charged, the Razer Viper Ultimate will give you 70 hours fully charged. That is 10 hours a day for a whole 7-day week. That's insane. And another great feature that this mouse connects not by Bluetooth, as I said, this connects with hyperspeed with a dongle that it comes down here in this cap, down here in this cap. And that means the base also got a little USB and you can connect that dongle to the USB there. So this can be on the corner of your desk. I got it over there on the corner of the desk. And this will mean that we'll have a perfect line of sight and we'll always be connected by the fastest frequency possible, giving you that free lag that we are looking for. Now, first of all, let's talk about weight, because this wireless mouse comes at 74 grams, how it is. And that in compared to my Razer Basilisk, that is 101 grams. And it's super light in comparing it hand to hand, and for sizes, the Razer Viper come at 38 millimeters high, 66 millimeters on the widest part, and 127 millimeters of length. And that means that for a medium size like mine, is just perfect, super comfortable to use. And hey, before I continue, please consider subscribing, consider following me on my social medias, because I do post behind the scenes every now and then, more or less on Instagram. And please, in the link down below, consider buying me a drink, because that really supports me, supports the channel, supports me buying all new gadgets for you guys. So please, link below. But now let's jump into what this mouse is built for: gaming. And my gaming experience have been insane. Not just RPG games where you really need that free latency and you need that extra millisecond, but also not having wires means that I can do quick turns and pans with no interactions, and the battery claim is around 70 hours as I mentioned. This means that many days the mouse don't even make it to the dock and it still goes for days. Being wireless, I really thought that would not be as responsive in shooters games where, to be honest, every millisecond counts. However, with the Razer purple optical switches, that unlike a traditional mouse that they use mechanical switches, Razer is using what they're calling a light beam, that when pressed, this light is subtracted and send a signal to your computer in an instant, milliseconds. And with these switches, has no pressing any physical button internal. That's reducing the wear and tear in the mouse itself, giving you a 70 million clicks lifespan. Now, all this together with the £150 price point that this mouse got, and to be honest, Amazon always got offers. I got it for a whopping $49.99, and the lowest price that I have seen on the Amazon charts have been $39.99 for this mouse that, as I said, RRP is 150 British pounds. And after watching this video, if you are considering to buying the Razer Viper Ultimate, I will leave the link in the video description below. Of course, there are affiliate links that will help me again, that will help this channel. But if you want to probably buy the best mouse that you can find nowadays, please, the Razer Viper Ultimate is the one for you. But overall, yes, the Razer Viper Ultimate is my go-to mouse. This is me saying goodbye to my trusty Razer Basilisk. So farewell, love. Goodbye. This is my new go-to, hopefully for a very, very long time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick video in the Razer Viper Ultimate, because yes, is this mouse worth it still at 2022 that we are now? The answer is just yes, yes, and yes, over and over. And probably the best esports gaming all-around mouse that you can ever found so far. So please, yes, everything have changed over here if you've not realised. I hope you like it as well. Please comment below if you like the new setup with our computers now, new flooring as well, new chair mat. But nevertheless, setup tool over here, and down here you can find my latest laptop review. But overall, I'm CheCo. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Adios.